Hello guys, welcome to our channel Take 9N, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we install mobile apps and mobile games in our laptop or in our computer. Okay, just like the very popular mobile game PUBG that we have played so many times in our mobile phone. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you how can we install PUBG game and other mobile games or any other mobile softwares in our laptop or in our computer. Okay, and it is quite easy, just we need to download a software in our computer. Okay, for now just follow the tutorial. For this we need to download a emulator software. Okay, just open your browser and type BlueStacks, BlueStacks.com, and it will open this site. You just need to download. Click on download BlueStacks. Okay, now the BlueStack downloader has been downloaded, and open this file right after the download is completed, and it will download BlueStacks in your computer. As I have already installed and downloaded and installed this software on my computer, so it is asking for me to update. Okay, but I don't need to do this as I have already downloaded and installed BlueStacks on my computer. Okay, you just download and installed, and now I'm going to open it. This is the icon. This is the program icon. Okay, now it is starting the engine, and this is like creating mobile interface on our laptop, so this may take some time. Okay, and it's saying it may take up to 40 seconds depending upon our computer's performance. As you can see, these are the apps which are installed in my BlueStacks, and these are the mobile apps which you can see in your Android phone. Okay, and we have got some settings for this also. And it's the setting that we get on our mobile phone, on our Android phone. And if you want to install games and other mobile apps, then go to Google Play, and so okay, if I want to download PUBG, I simply type PUBG and enter. Okay, and here we have the option to install it, and its file size is 1.6 GB. This may take some time. Okay, and as I click on install, it will start downloading this software, and it will install this mobile game on BlueStacks. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, and these are other mobile apps that we get on our Android device. So in this way we can download and play mobile apps and mobile games in our computer. So friends, this was for today. I hope you liked this video, so please like and share this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.